everyone, welcome to Prevented Solution given this nice algebra problem, which is basically a times b, which is equal to 100. We can call this one equation 1. We have b times c, which is equal to 200. We can call this one equation 2. And ca is equal to 300. We can call this one equation 3. So the question is, what is a plus b plus c? Okay. Now, solution to this problem. The first thing to do here, we multiply equation 1, multiplying by equation 2, and multiplying by equation 3. Now, in this case, we have AB multiplying by BC multiplying by CA, and this is equal to 100 multiplying by 200 multiplying by 300. And this is equal to 6 million. So on this side, we have a times a, which is a squared, multiplying by b squared, multiplying by c squared. So that means that a squared, b squared, c squared is equal to 6 million. Now, the first thing here, let's get the square root of both sides of a squared, b squared, and c squared. So this is equal to the square root of 6 million. Okay, now we can simplify this 6 million. Let's get the LCM of this 6 million. Okay, now 6 million divided by 2, this is actually 3 million. Again, 3 million divided by 2, this is 1,500,000. Now 1,500,000 divided by 2, this is actually equal to 750,000. 750,000 divided by 2. Again here, we'll have 375,000. Now 375,000 divided by 2. This is actually equal to 187,500. Now from here, 187,000 divided by 2 again. This is equal to 93,750. Now let's divide here again by 2. So here we'll have 46,875. So the next phase here, let's divide here by 3. So now here we have 46,875 divided by 3. This will give us 15,625, and then 15,625 divided by 5. This actually is going to give us 3125. Let's divide by 5 again here. So that 125 divided by 5, this is 625. Now 625 divided by 5, this is actually 125. Now 125 divided by 5 here, this is equal to 25. Okay, 25 divided by 5, this is actually equal to 5. Now let's divide 5 by 5 here, this is 1. Now that means that 6 million here, 6 million can be expressed as 2 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 to power 7, multiplying by 3, multiplying by 5 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiplying by 5 to power 6. Okay, so that means the square root of a squared, b squared, and c squared, this is equal to square root of, now we can express 2 to power 7, we can express 2 to power 7 as 2 to power 6, multiplying by 2, multiplying by 3, multiplying by 5 to power 6. Now in the next step here, let's eliminate the square root sign so that this is a, b, and c. This is equal to, now we can express this as 2 to power 6 multiplying by half, as we eliminate the square root sign, multiplying by 2 times 3, which is actually equal to, now this is the square root of 6, multiplying by 5 to power 6 times the square root sign. This is the same thing as a half. If you have the square root of a, this is the same thing as a to power a half. So now simplifying here, we have a, b, and c. This is equal to 2 to power 3 multiplying by square root of 6 multiplying by 5 to power, let's simplify here, 5 to power 3. So that means that a, b, and c, this is equal to 2 to power 3, this is equal to 8, multiplying by 5 to power 3, which is 125 square root of 6. Now, a, b, and c, this is equal to 125 times 8. This is actually equal to 1000 square root of 6. So this is the value of a, b, and c. So let's solve for the values of a, b, and c. So given that AB is equal to 100, BC is equal to 200, and CA is equal to 300. Okay, so let's substitute these values as follows. Now we have that A, B, and C is equal to 1000 square root of 6. And given that AB is equal to 100, BC is equal to 200, and C is equal to 300. So let's solve for A, B, and C. So given that A, B, C is equal to 1000 square root of 6, and from equation 1 here, from equation 1, we have A times B, which is 100. So let's substitute here, 100 times C. This is equal to 1000 square root of 6. Let's divide both signs by 100. So here C is equal to 10 square root of 6. So this is the value of C. Now let's solve for the other values. Now we have that A, B, and C, this is equal to 1000 square root of 6. We have BC is equal to 200. BC is equal to 200. Let's substitute, so it will be A multiplying by 200. This is equal to 1000 square root of 6. Now let's divide both signs by 200 here, so that now the value of A is equal to, let's simplify here. So this is equal to 10. This is equal to 5, sorry. So 10 divided by 2, this is 5. 5 square root of 6. 5 square root of 6. And then let's solve for the other value, the B. We have A, B, and C. This is equal to 1000 square root of 6. We have that AC is equal to 300. So we'll have B times 300. This is equal to 1000 square root of 6. So let's divide both signs by 300 here, so that now the value of B is equal to, let's simplify here, as 10 square root of 6 divided by 3. So this is the value of B. So now we have A as 5 square root of 6. We have B as 10 square root of 6 divided by 3. And now we have C as equal to, C is equal to 10 square root of 6. So the question is, what is A plus B plus C? Okay. Now let's add this, the three of them. So A is 5 square root of 6 plus B, which is 10 square root of 6 divided by 3, plus C, which is 10 square root of 6. Okay. So let's get the LCM here. So this is a whole number, and also this 10 is a whole number. So the LCM here is 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 5 square root of 6. This is 15 square root of 6. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 10 square root of 6. So it's 10 square root of 6. Plus 3 divided by 1. This is 3 times 30 times 10. So it's 30 square root of 6. So this is equal to, this is 15. You can see 15 plus 10. That is 25. 25 plus 30, so this is 55 square root of 6, okay, divided by 3. So here, the final solution here is 55 square root of 6 divided by 3. So this is the solution. This is the solution. This is what is a plus b plus c. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.